Om Amriteshwaryai Namah. During these auspicious days of Navaratri this year, let's try to understand the significance of the Navadurgas, the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, and try to decipher the spiritual principle behind these forms. Of course, there could be many ways of interpreting these 9 forms, but let us take a look at them from the perspective of our personal growth, be it our spiritual growth or our venturing into a meaningful endeavor, something purposeful that we are trying to achieve sincerely in our life. So on this 6th day of Navaratri, let's take a look at the 6th of the 9 forms of the Divine Mother, the form of Devi Katyayani.
चन्द्रहा सोज्ज्वलकरा शार्दूल वरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दद्या देवी दानवघातिनी कात्यायनी शुभं दद्या देवी दानवघातिनी.
We discussed the first 5 names in the previous videos. The first one being that of Shailaputri, representing the right start one gives to an endeavor one ventures into. The second one being that of Brahmacharini, representing the attitude to strive, to be dedicated, to be sincere about our goal and the effort that we put forth to achieve it. The third one being Chandra Ghanta, reminding us ourselves not to become complacent that the goal is already achieved. Rather, be ready for hurdles that may come our way. The fourth one being Kushmanda, inspiring us to create the opportunities that we want to have, to receive what is rightly deserved and make the best of the opportunities that we receive. And the fifth one being that of Skanda Mata, conveying to us to be independent and self-confident, to develop the virtues to counter the challenges that we face. And today, we look at the 6th name, that of Katyayani. She gets the name as being born to the sage Katyayana. It is believed that the Devas, the demigods, invoked the Divine Mother Mahashakti so as to put an end to the tyranny of demon Mahishasura, who was the representation of ignorance or inertia. He had the boon that he cannot be defeated by a man. So, Divine Mother assimilates the powers of all the Devas and incarnates as Katyayani. And she also satisfies sage Katyayana's long-time wish to have the Divine Mother as his daughter. Katyayani was effulgent with radiance, with the fire of conviction to put an end to Mahishasura's tyranny. Understanding the spiritual principle behind the form of Katyayani, her effulgence represents the light that we need to develop to overcome the darkness of ignorance and inertia, which manifest in form of negativities. The light of knowledge, wisdom, understanding, persistence, passion, dedication that we need to shed and spread. This light will guide us through our path to reach our goal. So, the takeaway from the form of Devi Katyayani to imbibe and shed the light of knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and patience as we pursue our goal. Om Amriteshwariyai Namah.